What a long week! I am so glad it's finally Friday. I feel completely exhausted. The last thing I want to do right now is cook a big dinner.
You can say that again. I was just thinking the same thing. My brain is too tired to even think about what to cook. We should just relax and take it easy tonight.
I have an idea. It's a classic Friday night solution. What do you think about ordering a pizza for delivery?
Ooh, that sounds like a perfect idea. A delicious, hot pizza delivered right to our door. No cooking and minimal cleaning up afterwards. I am 100% in favor of that.
I thought you would be. It's the ultimate comfort food after a busy week. Plus, we can just relax on the sofa and watch a movie while we eat.
It sounds like heaven. So, the decision is made. Pizza it is. Now comes the next important question. Where should we order from? Do you have a favorite pizzeria?
I have a couple of flyers here that came in the mail. We can have a look at them and decide together.
Okay, let's see what our options are. What's the first place you have there?
This one is from Luigi's Pizzeria. I've ordered from them before. Their pizzas are very traditional and tasty, but they can be a little slow with the delivery sometimes.
I am quite hungry, so I don't want to wait for too long. A slow delivery might not be the best choice for tonight. What's the other option?
The other flyer is for a place called Pizza Pronto. The name Pronto means fast in Italian, so maybe they are quicker. They also have a special offer on their flyer.
A special offer? I like the sound of that. What does it say?
It says, Friday night special. Get a free side of garlic bread with any large pizza order. That's a pretty good deal. Free garlic bread is always a bonus.
That is a good deal. And I've heard good things about Pizza Pronto from my colleagues at work. They say it's reliable and the pizza is great. I think we should give them a try.
I agree. Let's go with Pizza Pronto. Now for the most important part. Let's look at their menu and decide what kind of pizza to get.
Okay, I'm looking at the Pizza Pronto menu online. They have a lot of different options. It all looks so good. It's gonna be hard to choose just one.
Let's see. They have all the classic pizzas. There is the pizza margherita, which is the simple one with tomato, mozzarella, and basil. And of course, they have pizza salami.
I see they have a quattro formaggi, which means 4 cheeses. That is always very tempting, but it can be very rich. What about a vegetarian pizza?
Good idea. Let's look at the vegetarian options. They have a vegetariana with bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and olives. That sounds quite healthy and delicious.
That does sound good. I also see a pizza spinaci with spinach and feta cheese. I like that combination a lot. What kind of pizza are you in the mood for?
To be honest, I was thinking of something with a bit of meat. I really like a spicy salami, which they call diavolo here in Austria, or maybe one with ham and mushrooms.
It seems we have very different tastes tonight. You want meat, and I want vegetables. This could be a problem.
Don't worry. I think I have a solution for our problem. We are planning to share one pizza, right?
Yes, I think one large pizza is enough for the two of us. I don't think we could each finish a whole pizza by ourselves.
Exactly. So, many pizzerias offer a half and half option. We can choose different toppings for each half of the pizza.
That way, we both get what we want.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. I completely forgot about that. So you can have your side of the pizza, and I can have my side. That solves everything.
So let's decide. For my half, I would like to have the spicy salami. Is that okay with you?
Yes, as long as it stays on your half, that's perfectly fine with me. For my half, I think I would like to have mushrooms, black olives, and maybe some extra cheese.
That sounds like a great combination. So let's be clear. One large pizza, half with spicy salami, and the other half with mushrooms, black olives, and extra cheese. Do they ask what kind of crust we want?
The menu says their standard crust is a classic thin crust, which I really like. Is that okay with you, or do you prefer a thick crust?
No, thin crust is perfect for me too. Great. Our pizza decision is officially made.
Now that the main course is decided, what about drinks and side dishes? I know we are getting the free garlic bread with our order, which is great.
Yes, the free garlic bread is a fantastic bonus. I don't think we need any other side dishes. A large pizza and garlic bread will be plenty of food for us.
I agree. I don't think we need a salad or anything else. But what about something to drink? I am quite thirsty.
Good point. We should definitely order a drink. We could just drink water from the tap, of course, but maybe we should get something special, as it's Friday night.
My thoughts exactly. Let's see what drinks they have on their menu. They have the usual selection: Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, and also some fruit juices like apple juice and orange juice.
I would really enjoy a cold Coca-Cola with my pizza. It's a classic combination. What about you?
I like Coke too. Why don't we order one large bottle to share? A 1-liter bottle should be enough for both of us.
Perfect. So, our final order is one large, thin crust, half and half pizza. My half with spicy salami, your half with mushrooms, olives, and extra cheese. One side of garlic bread, which is free, and one large bottle of Coca-Cola. Does that sound correct?
That sounds absolutely perfect. Now, who is going to make the phone call?
I can make the call. I don't mind talking on the phone. But first, let's make sure we have all the information ready. It's good to be prepared.
That's a smart idea. It makes the call go much faster and smoother. So you have the complete order written down, right?
Yes, I have it right here. One large half and half pizza with the specific toppings, the garlic bread, and the Coke. I will read it directly from my notes.
Excellent. The next thing you will need is our address. Make sure you give them the correct street name, house number, and our apartment number. Sometimes people forget the apartment number.
Good point. I'll make sure to mention that we are on the third floor, apartment number 12. I should probably spell out the street name too, just to be sure. It's a bit of a complicated name.
Yes, spelling it is a very good idea to avoid any confusion. They will also ask for your name and a phone number in case the delivery driver needs to call you.
Right. I have all of that ready. I think I am prepared. Is there anything else I am forgetting?
I don't think so. You are ready to go. Just speak clearly and not too fast, and everything will be fine. I'll be quiet while you are on the phone.
Okay, I am dialing the number for Pizza Pronto now. It's ringing.
Hello?
Yes. Hello. I would like to place an order for delivery, please.
Great. Thank you. I would like to order one large pizza, please.
I would like to have it half and half. Is that possible?
Wonderful. On the first half, I would like to have spicy salami. Yes, salami. Salami.
And on the second half, could I please have mushrooms, black olives, and extra cheese?
That's correct. It's a thin crust, right?
Perfect. And I believe your flyer mentioned a free side of garlic bread with a large pizza order?
Fantastic. We would like that as well, please. And to drink, we would like one large bottle of Coca-Cola, the 1-liter bottle, please.
Yes, that is the complete order.
Okay, you need the delivery address? It is Wickenburg Gasse, number 24. Yes, I can spell the street name for you. It is Wickenburg-Gasse. That's right, Wickenburg Gasse. The house number is 24, and it is apartment number 12 on the 3rd floor. My name is Speaker 1, and my phone number is 0664 123 4567.
Okay, so you are repeating the order back to me. One large half-and-half pizza with spicy salami on one side and mushrooms, olives, and extra cheese on the other. One garlic bread, one large Coke.
The address is Wickenburg Gasse 24, apartment 12. Yes, that is all correct.
Okay, what is the total price?
28 euros and 50 cents.
Got it. And how long will the delivery take?
About 40 to 45 minutes.
That's great.
Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.
So, the call is finished. How did it go? Did they understand everything correctly?
Yes, it went very smoothly. The person on the phone was very friendly and efficient. He repeated the whole order back to me, and it was all correct.
That's great news. I am already getting so hungry just thinking about it. What did he say about the delivery time? How long do we have to wait?
He said it would be about 40 to 45 minutes. That's a very reasonable time for a Friday night. I was expecting it to be longer.
45 minutes is perfect. That gives us some time to get ready. So, what was the total price again? I want to make sure we have the money ready.
The total for everything is 28 euros and 50 cents.
Okay, 28.50. How are we paying? Do we pay the delivery driver in cash when he arrives? That is the most common way here.
Yes, I told him we would pay in cash. I have a 20-euro note. Do you have a 10-euro note? That would be perfect.
Let me check my wallet. Yes, I have a 10-euro note right here. So we have 30 euros. We can give that to the driver. The extra 1 euro and 50 cents can be a tip for him.
That's a good idea. It's always nice to give a small tip to the delivery driver, especially if the weather is bad or if they are fast.
Great. So the order is placed and the payment is ready. All we have to do now is wait. This is the hardest part.
I know. The waiting is always difficult when you are hungry, but it will be here before we know it. What should we do to pass the time?
We should probably choose a movie to watch while we eat. Let's look on Netflix and find something we both want to see. Maybe a comedy? I want to watch something light and fun.
A comedy sounds perfect for a Friday night. You can browse through the options while I get the table ready.
Get the table ready? Are we not just eating on the sofa from the pizza box?
We could, but I thought it would be nicer to at least get some plates and napkins. We can still eat on the sofa, but it will be a little less messy this way. I'll also get us 2 glasses for the Coke.
You are right. That's a much more civilized way to do it. Thank you. Okay, I am looking at the movies now. I have found a couple of options that look funny.
Okay, the table is ready, the payment is ready, and hopefully you will have a movie ready soon. I can almost smell that pizza already.
Me too. My stomach is rumbling. This is going to be the best dinner ever. I can't wait for the doorbell to ring.